Hi everyone, welcome back to another Deck the Halls video. This one is just more on the baking side of things. So I'm going to be making my peppermint bark for a Christmas party and for Christmas Eve this year, and I've made it before. I think I might have made some videos on that. I think I did. I don't remember. Excuse me. So, I'm just gonna show you what I got at Target. And I got my coffee at Starbucks. And this is a white chocolate peppermint frappuccino with no whipped cream and no toppings of any kind because I'm simple as that. And you guys know what to do with this stuff, the subscribe stuff, so I don't need to tell you. And yeah, and then I might do a holiday cleaning because I kind of do have to pick up my room just a little bit, but I think I will do that in the loop thingy where it kind of speeds up a bit. So yeah, but other than that, let's just jump right in. And I got my elf shirt from Walmart last year, and this is really cool. And it says, "What the elf is going on here?" And then, yeah. And I have my Christmas hat that I was looking for. And I made this a couple years ago. Well, more than a couple years ago. Almost 8-9 years ago. That long ago. So it's been a while. So, alright. Let's bring you up here. And then I also purchased the bag as well. Because sometimes it's just best to, reuse a bag like that. So I got that bag. And I've seen this at Target a few times. And it's from the Wonder Shop at Target. And it says apple cinnamon flavor filled candy canes and treats for dogs. So there's a bunch of dogs in my family where I live. And I'm going to split some of the treats up. So I'm going to give some to my dog cousins. And then the remainder, what's left, will go to Zoe Marie, my dog. So that's what I got for that. And this was only $5. And I never seen this before. Like the candy cane for dogs, like this type of candy cane. Because usually it's with, our favorite candies like the Hershey Kisses, Peanut Butter Cups, Skittles, etc. So I got that. And then I wanted the brown sugar cookie mix. I'm like, well, sugar cookies could, go with what I'm making. So I also want to make some cookies as well. So I got 2 bags of the sugar cookies mix. Because I think they make, 12 cookies, I believe. And I want more than 12 cookies, so with this combined, it would be a little bit better. I wish they had like a bigger bag of these, like a giant bag. That would be nice. And then, that made a lot of noise. Okay, so this is new, and they have 2 flavors. One is jalapeno, and then the other is ranch, which I got. And this is the Kraft mac and cheese. So I like ranch. Like, if you're in my family and you like ranch, it's a given on whatever side you come from. So, yeah. And then I got these Gilladary, I can't pronounce it, squares, and they're the milk chocolate peppermint hot cocoa. So these are going to be part of a Christmas gift, so I cannot eat these right now, even though I really want to. I'm going to be good. Okay. You be good, because if you eat these, you're going to be in trouble. And then I got body wash, and I have the Candy Cane body wash from the brand Native, and I have the shampoo and the conditioner, and it smells so good. And I cannot wait to try the body wash as well. And if there's any left over after Christmas, I'm going to be stocking up on my favorite scents, and I want to try that mistletoe one from this brand, and then some other scents that I would like to try. And hopefully, you know, they will bring them back next year. Hopefully. We'll see. It all depends. So, and then I got the milk chocolate M&M's minis in the red and green. And this is for the cookies as well. And then, for my peppermint bark, when I hand them out to people, I want to put them in like the storage containers like this. And this was so cute. I like the gingerbread one, and I thought it was really cute, so I just had to get it. So yeah. And then last but not least, I got more holiday scents, and it's from the brand Dove. And in this one you get two scents, and you get the frosted plum berry and the gingerbread delight. And I will be using these, and these are hand wash. So, and like I said before, if they still have any left over after Christmas Day, I will be stocking up. So just in case if they don't bring it back next year. And that's it. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, y'all know what to do. And I will see you in my next video, which is my doggy advent calendars. Wait, hold on. It's only 12 days. So this video is gonna go up on the last day of It's Always Happened. So I might film something later in the week. If not, then you'll get what I got for Christmas haul. So, but that won't be until like December 26th. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.